Hi, I'm Christian from Horntools, and today I'm showing you our Strands products. These are available in various versions and designs such as LED bars, driving lights or even work lights. Let's start with the LED bars. Again, there are different versions like the Siberia Experience series, in this case as a double row. They're always delivered with different colored daytime running or position lights, either yellow, orange or always in white, depending on how you wire it up. The lights also come with 4 or 5 cables and an integrated relay, which makes wiring the lights super easy. In the Experience series, as the name suggests, there's an E mode or an Experience mode. E mode means you can use it in road traffic as a high beam and it's street legal there. But the Experience mode can also be used off-road or in terrain away from the street, where you have significantly more range and luminosity. Plus, the lights always include the brackets, which makes mounting them on the roof rack using T-nuts super simple. Here, for example, is the mounting of a Strands work light on our ExRoof roof rack. Simply slide a T-nut into the existing grooves and, using the bracket mentioned earlier that's included with the light, screw the light to the T-nut with an M8 bolt. Of course, until the light is tight, and then the installation is finished. The lights also have a hello function, which simply means if the light is off and you want to greet someone by flashing your high beams twice, there's a little light show and the position light lights up and flashes again. Now we come to the driving lights. These, in their round or mostly oval compact design, are intended as auxiliary high beams, giving you really great lighting while driving. These are also available in different position light colors, as you can see, yellow, orange or switchable to white, just like the LED bars. Here too you have different modes with the E mode and the Experience mode, and also the hello function. And finally we come to the work lights. These are intended as auxiliary lights around the vehicle, so not as high beam headlights. Here we distinguish between a DT2 connection for lights without a position light, meaning 2 cables come out of the light, or a DT4 connection, meaning 4 cables come out of the light for those with a position light. Now let's summarize everything once more. Which light has which advantages, or what is each light used for? Clearly, the LED bar shines primarily wide and also far into the distance. This means, especially in off-road use, if you're out in the woods and want to see a lot to the left and right of the vehicle, the LED bars have a real advantage. The driving lights are primarily intended as auxiliary high beams because they shine more narrowly but far into the distance. The work lights are for lighting all around the vehicle. So depending on the application, you have different versions and different lights to choose from. It's always important to note that lights used as high beams always have a reference number, like 20 for the driving lights in E mode, and all lights added together must never exceed a value of 100. That's it for our Strands product. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, feel free to leave a like